Hello friends, we'll have next problem of section of solids. Just see the narration. What is the exercise? We'll see. A pentagonal prism is the solid of 25 mm side and 75 mm height is resting on its base on HP with one of its lateral surface is perpendicular or normal to vertical plane. So this first sentence will give us the overall its positioning of that solid on HP without any cutting effect. Now in second sentence its cutting activity will be mentioned. Now it is cut by a cutting plane that is inclined to HP by 45 degrees and passing through a point on the axis which is 25 mm, which is 25 mm below the top face, which is 25 mm below the top face. Means cutting plane is going to pass through a point on the axis which is 25 mm below the top face. Now how to start? Next question will be the solution which is expected is the same. Okay. Solution will be same, means draw its front view. Expected solution will be its front view, its sectional top view and true shape of the section. So accordingly we should start. Now how we should proceed? First of all we should find which kind of solid is asked here. That is pentagonal prism. This solid we are going to cut. Sectioning effect is nothing but cutting that solid into two parts. Now pentagonal prism with 25 mm side and 75 mm height. With these parameters we should initially construct its first set, that is last, that is front and top images. So accordingly as it is as it is resting on its base on HP, so on horizontal plane we should construct its base, that is true shape of the base, that is regular pentagon in this way, by taking into consideration that it is resting on its base on HP in such a way that one of its lateral surface, that is CD. I have marked that lateral surface on my right hand. CD34, this is the lateral surface, vertical rectangular lateral surface. It is now normal to vertical plane, means normal to HRL, perpendicular to HRL. In this way we should construct first line. So I have constructed this line initially. First step is to construct this line CD carrying 25 mm side, which should be perpendicular to this HRL. So with this starting edge we have to finish this regular pentagon. This is the first image. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As it is a prism, it is carrying, we know well that base as well as top face. So double naming. So accordingly second image is nothing but front image. This is the top image. Now front image we have to finish with its axis. So through all the corners I have stretched all the projection lines. Okay, in this way I have extended from HP to VP. Okay, on axis its height I have marked here as 75 mm. And accordingly in front view the image will be like this. Now this much part I have retained as very faint, as because after cutting this part we are throwing. So this is immaterial. So this part will be with us after cutting effect. That much part I have shown with lateral edges, with thick effect and base only. Means below this cutting plane what is left over, it will be with us. Okay, and this much part will be thrown as a scrap. So only this part I have made it, I have given fair effect, dark effect, and this part which we are going to throw, it is shown by very faint effect. That one should consider, keep in mind. Okay, so accordingly first image is top image, second image is its front image with all the corners I have named A dash, B dash, E dash, C dash, D dash here. Similarly 1 dash, 2 dash, 5 dash and 3 dash, 4 dash. Before cutting will be like this. The solid, its front image will be like this. Now after that second sentence which is carrying cutting effect, accordingly now we should work and we should pick the saw and cut the solid in such a way that cutting plane is now making an inclination of 45 degrees with HP, and that too it is going to pass through the point on the axis which is 25 mm from the top face. So what we have to do, first of all, we should mark the distance of 25 mm from this top face up to here. This is the point of intersection of this cutting plane on the axis, that is 25 mm. After that, draw construction line here, place the protractor here and get that 45 degree inclination in this way, and accordingly complete this cutting plane here, show that 45 degree inclination here. Now in this way, now cutting plane I have shown you, I have marked here. So this part, now upper part will be thrown away, and similarly now we have to observe from top in this way. For top view we are observing, and as usual, now in the direction of this arrow, this surface which is getting cut, it is not normal, that's why it is reflecting its apparent image as true pentagon with hatches. Hatches is nothing but cutting edges, cutting lines which are created after the cutting effect. Means this part we are throwing, and due to the cutting effect, due to the saw teeth, such kind of rough surface or hatches will be emerged over that surface. Okay, so this is sectional top view which is not reflecting its true shape, as because this arrow of top view is not normal to this surface which has been created here, and which is not normal to this arrow. That's why this surface is showing its apparent sectional surface. Now we have to get its true sectional surface. How to get? Now this arrow should be now normal to this surface. So accordingly, now what we have to do? We should construct parallel to this cutting plane at any convenient distance outside this object x1, y1 as auxiliary reference plane, from where we will be now having its true look of this surface, of this shape. Now the arrow will be in this direction. We are going to observe in this way now. Now this arrow will be now normal to this surface which is here, which is with us after cutting, after throwing part. This part we are observing, this surface we are observing, and here we are going to get its true shape of the section in this way. Now how to get this? Just like previous problem, we have to pick each and every corner of this apparent shape, apparent sectional surface. Means from HRL, this A we have to pick in this way. This distance is nothing but these points are now we can name as PA is here, this point is as usual PB, C is here, so this we will name it as PC, this point we will name it as PD, this point is PE, same PA, this point is we can name it as PA. On B and E corresponding names PB and PE we can write. Similarly C and D are here, so PC and PD we can name. Now this PA to P, all the points, all the distances from this sectional top view which is not true shape, below XY line, these distances you have to pick in compass and go on transferring beyond x1, y1. Same way the projectors I have drawn here. See here, PA to P, all the points I have projected through 90 degrees. Means you have to place the protractor on this cutting plane line here in this way, and you have to get one perpendicular projector in this way through PA, and now parallel to this PA go on getting parallel projectors in this way. So all these projectors will be right from PA to P will be normal to this cutting plane. So accordingly these projectors we will get in this way. Now on these corresponding projectors the respective distances you have to transfer. Now PA I will pick from here, follow the projector blindly, come over here beyond this x1, y1, transfer that PA. Similarly now PA, PB you have to pick this distance PB below XY line, pick PB in this way, follow the same projector, come over here, from here transfer that point PB. Similarly pick this P, follow in this way, come over here, that distance you transfer here. Similarly, from C, this from XY line, pick this PD as well as PC distance, follow the projector in this way, come over here, and beyond X1, Y1, the corresponding PD and PC you have to transfer. Now after that, connect these lines, all these lines with dark effect, continuous thick line. This is nothing but the true shape of the section, which is the expected last solution from this narration. Okay, now after joining all the corners, hatches again you have to create all this on this surface as well as on this surface, as because these surfaces are sectional surfaces, both the surfaces are sectional, means sectional lines, that is hatches you have to create on this surface. How to create? The distance between two consecutive lines should be of 2 mm. Okay, not less than or more than 2 mm, and that too inclination made by these lines will be 45 degrees with the ground. What I am saying, 45 degrees with the ground, either left-handed or right-handed. Similarly, this inclination made by this cutting plane with the HP, you can show either in this direction or in this direction also. In this direction also you can show that cutting plane, and true shape of the section you can construct on this side. Depending upon the space constraint on your page, you can tilt this line on any angle, on any side, either left-handed. I have taken here left-handed 45 degrees. You can take right-handed 45 degrees in this way, and accordingly cutting plane will be on this auxiliary reference line will be on this side, and according to shape will be on this side. Now in this way also you can solve. So we have got its front view, its sectional top view, which one is apparent, and its true shape of the section. All these three solutions are expected from this narration. So in this way we have finished this task.